Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Crafting with Amy. I'm Amy, and I hope you all had Merry Christmas, and more important, or whatever you celebrate. More importantly, I hope everybody stayed warm, safe. These are some projects that I made actually before Christmas, but I've been having such upload issues. It took me forever to get my last. It took over a week to get my last video uploaded. So this is just going to be a neutral, just home decor piece. I have one of those rounds from Amazon, and that home sign came from Wal Mart. And then I have ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just taking some matte black paint and going to paint this round with the black. I wanted it to kind of transition into just basic home decor, although I still have a ton of Christmas items. By the time they became available in my area, it was getting too close to Christmas, so I'll have them for next year, I guess. And this kind of, ordered this home sign from Walmart by accident. I honestly thought it was going to be like a piece of wood, because that's what it said. It even told the measurements, but come to find out it was this word. And I'm just taking some super glue, wood glue from Dollar Tree, and then I'll take some hot glue, because this is a pretty thick word. So I'll just do a little bit of hot glue for an immediate hold, and the wood glue, super glue for a more permanent hold. I hope everybody has stayed warm and stayed safe. I know it's been awful. We had like negative 30-degree temperatures for a couple of days, and luckily we have a backup heat source. I went and got my mother and brought her over here, even though she's actually on the grid that the hospital's on, and they usually are the last, they'll get their power on first, but brought her over here, and she stayed here through Christmas. Now I'm taking some lamb's ear that I've had forever, that I got from Walmart, I think, and just taking some floral wire and going around the center of it. We're supposed to be up to like 60 this weekend, but it's supposed to rain. I don't know. And now I'm just going to hot glue this up at the center. I just wanted to keep this kind of simple. Just getting the little glue string. And I've already made the bow. I just made it's three loops on each side, and then put the little folded some ribbon over and put it in the center and glued it. And now I'm going to put a hanger on the back. Can't talk today. And then I take some of that ribbon and glue it on top. Just a couple of strips just to better secure it. And then this is done, and it's just simple farmhouse type sign. I'm trying to think of what I'm going to make next. We've been using my craft room as like where we've been putting Christmas presents and wrapping paper and all that stuff, and it's been quite the mess. So there it is. My bow may be a little bit too big. Yeah, I think it is. But if you all are new here, I want to welcome you all and thank you all for stopping by. And if you like the content, I hope you'll consider subscribing, hitting the notification bell, all those things. And if you're returning, you all know I really, really appreciate you guys. So this is just, I've been wanting to use this church, and I thought this would make just a simple little winter scene. I just have some of those bottle brush trees. The church came from Dollar Tree. The trees came from Wal Mart. And this sign came from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to take some matte black paint and paint it. All I have to paint because the bottom won't be seen, and then I can repurpose it later. Because that came from fall, I think. It said pumpkin something. I'd kind of like your all's input as to what you would like to see me, what types of DIYs you'd like to see. I really don't do anything for Valentine's. I do Easter. So I guess I'm just going to have to stick with some neutral decor. So I'm going to glue the little church down. I had two. One of them was missing the little pine cone up at the top. And I'm going to glue the trees down. This was a really good deal on these trees. It was like $9 and I got, I think, 16 pieces. And now I have some of those little lights from Dollar Tree. I wish I had had another set because I only have enough to put some into the church and then go up two of the trees. And I don't know, apparently I didn't take a picture of this or a little video like I normally do my projects. But I show it lit up, and but that, I think it's only 10 lights. And then I take some polyfill and just put down for a snowy effect. And I have this sitting on our TV stand. I straightened the polyfill out. It, like I said, I don't know what happened to the pictures and the video. And for DIY number 3, this one, I was finally able to get some of those little burlap bags from Dollar Tree, but it was way late. And I just think they're so cute. I think I got 3 more, I think. But they're all Christmas, so this one is still yet more of a Christmas one. And I have one of those crates from Dollar Tree. And this, I love this ribbon. That came from Walmart, I think. It's black with white trees. I end up not using those stickers. But I just start by painting this crate. with the Waverly chalk paint and mineral. And I go down some inside the crate, but I don't do the entire thing because you're not going to see it. I have several of those trays from Dollar Tree, and I have some little boxes, and I'm thinking of making like a shelf. Now I have glued that. I don't know what happened to that ribbon just around, and more polyfill. I'm hoping this video will upload better. I don't know what the deal is. I've been having some major issues. I'd like to do lives. There's no way with our internet that I could do lives. So I've put two little white bottle brush trees that came from Dollar Tree in there. And now I'm going to put some of that snow. Or the little bead snow. Oh, that stuff goes everywhere. And then that's it for this one. And hopefully this video will upload, and I'm going to start working on some DIYs, just basic decor items. So I hope you all like these and give you some inspiration. And again, if you're new here, welcome, and I hope you all had a good Christmas or whatever you celebrate, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you.